Ngayon alam ko na. Kaya pala gusto ng mga magulang natin na kumain tayo ng sabay-sabay. Kasi darating ang panahon na mag-isa ka na lang kakain sa lamesa. Kaya pala 6:00 pa lang ng gabi. Gusto ng mama at papa natin na magkakasama tayo. Kasi darating ang panahon na matagal na panahon din tayong hindi magkikita-kita. Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit hinahayaan lang tayo kumain ng matatamis noon. Yung pala, puro pait na ang mararanasan natin ngayon.
Hello guys, as my YouTube channel is continuing to grow, you could see that most subscriber not yet subscribed to my channel, that we share value of familyhood and the people surrounds all of us, and to every one of you, I hope all of you would like, share and comment to spread love. Please subscribe to my channel, the link is in the description. I may still post on this channel but almost everything on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more.